What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use two Steam's account on one computer. So first off, head over to Steam by just typing in Steam, or you can type store.steampowered.com. Now after coming here, on the right side, you can see the option of login. So just simply click on login and then log in with your email and password. Now, after logging in, you will see your profile here. Simply give it a click and then click on View My Profiles, or you can click on Account Details. And after that, come to the Security and Devices. Now, from here, you can remove the security, or you can change the email address, or you can change the password and everything from here. But if you want to add a new email, just simply sign out everywhere, and then the Steam will reopen. And after reopening, just find the Add Account button, and after finding, click on it, and then enter your another email that you want to link to Steam. So then you will be signed in with that another email. And when you want to switch to the first email, just simply sign out with that another email and then sign in with that first email. And this is how you can use two Steam's account on one computer. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.